Hey guys, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present a line dance. It's so fun. Somebody Else's Guide. The song is Somebody Else's Guide. That's old school, guys, and the artist is JOYCELYN Brown. The choreography is TRACI STILETTOZZ. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes here in New Orleans, please call 504-251-0674. Also, check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Please visit our website for detailed information, www.LMIUNOLA.com. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction, please stay tuned. At the end of this video, I'll post the instructional. And let's go, guys. Somebody Else's Guide.
You are the one who makes me feel so
version. That's such a fun dance to sing along with and dance at the same time, especially us old school people. That is somebody else's guide. Of course, I'll post the instructional at the end of this video. Please check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. I would love to see you go to our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.